Don't waste time searching folder after folder to open Word documents one at a time. Open them all instantly with this quick hack. Open a new text document, type @echo space off, start a new line, type start space WinWord space, return to File Explorer, find the folder that contains your Word document, select the folder path, press Ctrl on your C. Select the folder path, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy, return to your text document, press Ctrl and V to paste the folder path. At the end of the path, type / and enter the name of the document you want to open. If there are any folders in your path with gaps in their name, enclose those in quotation marks. Return to File Explorer, select the next folder that contains your next Word document, select the folder path, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy, return to your text document. At the end of the first folder path, enter a space and press Ctrl and V to paste the next folder path. Type /, enter the name of the next Word document you want to open. Any folders with spaces in their name in your path, enclosing quotation marks. Click File, choose Save As, give your file a name, end it with the .bat extension for a batch file. From the Save As type drop down list, choose All Files, click Save. Double click the batch file you've just created to run it, and your Word documents have opened instantly. Subscribe for more computer tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.